Good morning, everybody. It's a big privilege for Shield by Guardant Health to be the presenting sponsor at this 54-mile ride today. Ride strong today and help keep pushing for a cancer-free future. Thank you.
You can take a blood test with your doctor to be screened for colon cancer.
We are thrilled to be part of this community effort and support the important work of the Sylvester Cancer Center. Our goal is to make cancer screening more accessible so we can catch it and give people more time.
It's an honor to be here supporting the Dolphins Cancer Challenge. Together, we can make a difference in the fight against cancer.